We already know from studies that too much calcium in the body has been linked to aggressive cancers like prostate cancer. We also know that African American men are 4 times more likely to get prostate cancer. Well, now researchers are putting 2 and 2 together and adding up to some sobering statistics.
African Americans are consuming 400 times as much calcium as their ancestors.
That is Constance Hillard. She's an evolutionary African history professor who says her research found that men with West African ancestry have a different genetic makeup that prohibits calcium absorption. And like their ancestors, their bodies are made to safely consume just about 200 milligrams of calcium a day. Anything more is too much. It's dangerous. Hillard believes that this shows the critical need for more diversity in medical studies and recommendations. For example, she says the current FDA recommendations are based on studies of lactose-tolerant Americans or Europeans. Now, it's too soon to tell whether her research will result in dietary guideline changes, but it is another reason why it's important to know our DNA and the health secrets that may be wrapped inside. And I have a link to Hillard's full findings on my Facebook page.